So here it is, what we discuss in the service desk. Let's see. What is a service desk? So in that one, what is IT business? Different IT services. Okay. So different IT services. I didn't give roles and responsibility, means different people working in a service desk with different background technologies. But I shared one video yesterday, right? Not one video, two, three videos I shared. So I shared two videos. No, both are two different service desk people. Both are supporting same client. Okay, same tool, but so you can see the differences, like the explanation, but you can understand what is ticket priorities, and also how ticket will occurs to you. Okay, how to resolve the ticket. Okay, and that kind of stuff. Okay. So what is a service provider? Who are the customers? Who we can call something as like a customer? What is ticket? Okay, types of tickets. Their
Excuse me,
prior.
sir. You shared in a group, sir.
You tell me.
Where you shared?
In classroom, I guess.
I didn't get it.
Abhishek, I didn't get it.
Sir, you said in a group, what is this? I didn't understand. I mean, it's a interview question, right?
Okay. Fine.
Yesterday I shared something in your group. Okay, I will
Yes,
check
sir,
it now.
last night. And
Yeah,
Ruxana ma'am also said on an
Hi
email.
sir, please
okay.
mark my attendance. Shane Lahi this side.
Chane, okay, I will do it. Yeah, here it is.
Thank you sir.
Hello,
Yeah, tell me.
sir. I'm present. Mohit. Base.
Yeah, you are present.
Yes, sir.
No,
I'm okay. Thank you, sir.
this is open. 18th batch. This is, I will explain. Madam shared, these are the version test related. These are a requirement to write a version test, and this is the version test related issues and how the questions. And she said something. Okay, I think. Oh shit. Okay, so I didn't share networking basics. Only networking. So yesterday classes and other links are missing here. So I will share it definitely now. So I think I shared. Maybe I
Sir,
shared.
you have uploaded it on Google Classrooms.
Google, yes, sir. Google
I
Classroom.
think okay. I put it in a Google Classroom then.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, I shared some questions, guys. Here it is. If you see, mostly it's a self-introduction is common question about Outlook and how to resolve it. Okay, solving mail-related issues, handling irritated clients. Okay, and what are my hobbies again? Okay, as first day I told personal question. That's a kind of stuff. Role of service desk analyst. Okay, so what is service desk? Okay, so no questions anyway. So this Outlook, MS Office, not present in your resume. How do you think HCL is a right place for you? What are your weaknesses, major challenges in communication with the challenges in communicating with US clients? Okay.
Sir, how to answer these questions, like what you see as a major challenge in communicating with US clients?
That is depends upon you how you are we can able to present. Usually, yes means they don't follow British English, right? So like we are following a one kind of grammatical structure.
Definitely.
So mostly the people will speak the language is a little different. Means their photonics kind of stuff. The wording is little different. Okay. Our language is much faster. Their language is very simple. Okay. So, so you have to ask like one or two times, like what is exactly happens. You have to understand their point. Okay, like that. Better you can ask, madam. Okay. Otherwise, it's my point is yes, clients is actually the language related issues. Second one is other person is technical person or non-technical person. That a client is a technical person, non-technical. So if he's non-technical, you have to use the word more common words. You have to use it. So they should understand. Okay, it is a technical person. You can tell technical guidelines. So check the RJ45 cable. So then they will understand. Non-technical person, you have to check the backside cable, LAN cable, which is look like this one like it's simple just for example I'm telling. Okay. Some wording is different from that one. Components
Sir,
of
can you what's the mean
explain.
of
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, I didn't get it, just tell me again.
sir, can you please tell me which project here is mentioned?
No, I don't know the what project you will get it, I don't know.
So in college time project, yeah, other project, another project.
Okay, in questions about project. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that is college project only. In college, what any project you have done mostly. In BTech, we have a final year project. So you
Yes, sir.
can, what project you have done. Components of computer, MS Office, operating system, RAM, about your college, about your cities. So again, it is personal. What is service desk profile? What is operating system? Explain your project. Office 365. Yesterday only we discussed what is Office 365. I have shown that one also. Troubleshooting in case of system is not working. Bluetooth screen of death. IP addresses. RAM and ROM. Any questions to me? Guys, this is a for a world batch means last year batch. We have collection of questions are there like this only. This is the questions are there. What I have done in this one topic wise, I separated personal questions, technical questions, customer handling questions. Like three parts are there. Okay, so go through these questions. Read questions first.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I have read that questions, and there was one question. And sir, can you tell me how to answer that? If you got a million, will you still work for HCL?
Yeah,
So
that's
it is
the
in
question.
rupee, means
Uh,
it is rupee or dollar, but how to?
Yeah, I got it. One, if you win a 1 million, usually in Indian rupees, 1 million means 10 lakhs. Okay.
Yes.
In US, it is also 10 lakhs, but 10 lakhs dollars. So you got a 10 lakhs
Yes.
dollars, it is huge amount. 10 lakhs rupees, not much amount.
8 crore, 8 crore 50 something.
Yeah, like it's like a $1, you can take around 80, 85 rupees. If you take least 80 rupees also, it's a huge amount. Okay, it's around 8 crores. 8 crores 50 lakhs something it is. So then definitely don't work for HCL anyway. But so guys, it is your way to tell an answer. It is like you win a huge amount of money. For example, I win a 5 crores of money, like maybe a 1 crore rupees. I no need to work, right? But thing is, not everyone is not like that. Maybe some people are having huge money. If I'm staying in my own one kind of apartment, the each flat is at the time of construction it is 1 crore. Now it is 2 crores. Each at least 1.5 to 2 crores of each flat. One flat. It's a lot of flats are there. A lot of people are working. There are almost all crororepatis. Okay, not more than crororepatis. Not crororepati means even cannot buy that one. There are more than crororepatis, but still they are working in different fields. Some are doctors, some are politicians, some are not a politician. Some are general was IT. Lot of people go to this our mind space. Means the group of IT companies are there inside. Okay, IT employees are working there. It's not like that. You have crores of money. It does not mean you know to work. It is your choice. I just work for my continuation of life. Maybe I will learn good. So that is career. That is career. Your satisfaction. I'm working for my satisfaction. I'm not working for like if I earn 1 lakh rupees per month, then only I will work. No, no, it is like even I work for 6,500 rupees. So whatsoever it is, the money it is, I'm working for my satisfaction, my purposes, something. I choose that kind of stuff. Okay. So like that, you can manufacture any answer. But guys, any personal questions? First important, already I told in the first day of class only, always positive answer. Not sad answers, not opposing answers kind of stuff. For example, if there is a current government fan is there, like he's the good fan of BJP party or Congress party. So he asks something about how is the current government, how is the tax slabs now. So take the only the positive points about it, only simple and positive points, and you can tell that's it. No need to be exaggerated like
Sir,
very
not
positive,
getting you.
not required. Very negative is not required. Yeah, tell me.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I'm not getting your voice clearly.
Voice, voice problem. I don't know. Okay,
No,
so
sir,
what's our
it's audible.
request? Okay, so go to different type of questions, guys. Just first read all the questions. These questions also read question and relevant to our topic. What kind of questions they will ask, and then practice answering. Practice answering how to tell in this answer. So here it is: how to handle a irritated customer or a angry customer or frustrated customer. You know, so why customer will get frustrated? So for example, you are working in a home, so yesterday I got frustrated. Internet is not working, your work is stopped. My laptop is not working, my work is stopped. Okay, one time is okay, multiple times, even multiple times customer is asking for a service desk person, so I'm not getting this when I'm not getting connected, my application is not working and my login is not working. So this time, second time, third time, so what he will get it, he will get angry, definitely, right? Even we are getting an angry, same other person will get an angry, right? So it's a common thing. So what we have to do it, we have to understand the first basic principle is what happens exactly. Any point is to resolve it. Any point it is, so we should not shout on the customer, there is no rights, right? So if the customer is actually, we are providing a service, he is using, you should give proper service, then you won't get any issues. If you don't give, he'll get an issues and he will get an angry. Okay, so you have to maintain peace, you should not get angry, right? So you have to maintain your voice temp and slowly try to make him cool and understand what is exactly issue is occur. He is already given a complaint earlier. So what is his previous complaints? Any pending complaints are there? Any another process is there? For example, there must be my in a client side also there must be done something. They have to pay something and they have to change something. Okay, so they're not doing it. So it's a customer side pendings are there, or my or organization side approvals are pending, or billing is pending. Okay, so you have to understand what exactly happens when customer asks for any support, and almost all will get a customer related information and their previous issues and his service related information. So you should understand what exactly happened, and you have to give proper information. So why is not getting issues resolved? Okay. So I'm a customer. I'm shouting on the customer support. I'm not getting this one. Not getting internet. So far like that. But maybe it is my problem also there. Okay. But I don't understand. But I will shout on the customer. So so what will happen? So we have to maintain the temperature. Temp. Okay. So make sure is uh, not make sure it is make him cool down. So try to listen what he is speaking and try to understand what is the situation. Give proper suggestions, proper suggestion or proper the solution. What the things we have to do first. From his side, approval is pending. From our organization side, but pending is there. Or maybe he has to change something, but he's not doing that one. He has to pay bill, he is not doing that one. Okay. Optimum for a certain service, that is not actually good service. We already told it, you have to change it. It is not doing that one. There are different kind of situations, so that we will get an angry. So what you have to do, you have to try to figure it out what exactly an issue. Okay, what is the better solution for him, and give the solution to that one. Discuss. Otherwise, discuss with your team. So means your team leader is there, the other higher people. So this is a issue with this customer. So what is the deal we have to do next? Either we have to discontinue the services, or maybe you have to make sure the continuation of services. What to do? Okay, this kind of stuff is there. So frustrated customers. Some are friendly customers. How to deal with a friendly customer, how to deal with the frustrated customers, how to deal with the irritated customers. Customer or a client, any word you can use it. Okay. So this is a point. Okay. Some questions, guys, we don't have an answer. Some questions are completely hypothetical questions will be there. Point is, if you know the question, definitely will search for an answer. Okay. So there is lot of sites also available. Even I can share. Technically, I can share some, but these type of questions you have to search and figure it out. What is the best answer you can give? There may be a lot of answers. When I am telling some answer, make sure that uh, other person think I know it. Okay. So how it is? Use the simple words. It's my talent. Like if you ask another sir, is there Sai Prasad sir, he will give big answer, or maybe good verbal kind of words, sentences, construction is there. It's his way. I'm not in that much English. Okay, that much many words I don't know. Okay, so I will use simple way. So depends upon you and how you present an answer. That is, you have to practice. Okay. Some people only read, but at the time of interview, when they're required to talk, so they cannot able to do it. So for them also, I'm telling guys, if you practice, that time it is easy. Okay, practice with group. You guys are keep one WhatsApp group. You are already in WhatsApp group. Create one meeting link for only for you people, and start discuss in English, asking questions, answers, different type of questions. Keep telling an answers. Some people will listen and they will get an idea how to tell an answer. Okay, that is the point. So this is it. How do you think Excel is right place for you? Nothing. We want a job, right? We are not putting anything like I want to join in HCL only. Do you have a commitment like that yourself? Really? No, right? We need a work, we need a job, we need a something. We should go to IT industry. or we need to get some salary, then we have to go to some company. Different opinions are there. But as you know, maximum people don't put an opinion like I want to go to HCL only. You got another opportunity, definitely will go. Right. What is why HCL is right for you? As like again, you have to manufacture. HCL is a well-established organization, right? Well-established organization, big IT organization. It is big MNC. So which level? Level 5 or level 6 or level 7? Okay, which type of HCL is it? And lot of services, lot of technology, lot of clients are available for a HCL. Okay, so it is definitely once we are our improve our technical knowledge and technical skills, so definitely we can play different roles in the HCL. Faster growth is there in HCL. Even it is there or not, I don't mind. Important is, or important is how to tell, how to speak in positive way. And don't say very positive means not like an unlinked positive means there is no link to the thing, right? It is HCL is a great company. They are feeding to the poor. So HCL is maybe next time I will go to Mars with HCL. And don't say that kind of stuff. Okay, give general things only in a positive manner. Being your weaknesses also that is positive for you. Your weakness not negative for you. Actually it is a positive for you. Okay, that's kind of stuff. Okay,
Hello.
yeah, tell me.
Sir, service desk or role of service desk analyst, sir, both are same,
Yeah, role of
but
service desk
are different.
same. What service desk role of service desk analyst is supporting customers or clients,
Sir,
understand customer issues, that kind of stuff.
Sir, I have one question. In customer support, service desk, and network engineer, which is better? Means
Yeah,
hierarchy.
there is no better, no less better is not there. Customer care is different. Customer care is different. Customer support means it's a tech support. It's like a in tech support depends upon type of client and what type of service you are providing, what technology you are in it. Okay, so there's three things. Okay. So normally, we
So,
think technical support or a customer support. We think it is like you don't get internet. We call to internet service provider. They will resolve it. We think in that picture, but in organization, so one organization dealing with other organization, so with a different type of supports. HCL has so many type of clients and so many type of services. Ours is basic level entry, L1 entry type. Basic L1 entry type, it required basic knowledge. But once you improve, like as you asked, network engineers, you learn CCNA, CCNP, okay, networking related more. So then your service desk role, your service desk as a service desk analyst, your role is belongs to network related, network monitoring, network related issues resolving, network related installations, you have to do it. Okay. For example, you learn about servers. You are maybe you are going to work in a server related support project or maybe storage related support project. Okay. Or you have a knowledge in it. Okay. So that's again different support, different customer, different projects, cloud related, application related, like this. So once experience increases, your IT experience increases, domain experience. There's two experiences. IT experience means, for example, 2023, you join an IT company, okay, you started a career as a service desk. Basically, L1 support, that to basic support like a hardware networking related. You are adding a technology, maybe by next year you done a AWS certificate. You change your domain to cloud related support. Okay, and after 5 years, you have a 5 years of IT experience, maybe 2 years or 3 years of a cloud AWS cloud experience. So that's two dual things. Domain experience, IT experience. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's the point. To gain IT experience,
What
Sir,
is
it's a
one
the
more
entry
question.
level, better. Like, yeah, tell me.
Sir, one more question. Sir, what is blue screen of death, sir?
I will tell in a hardware time.
Sir, how
Okay.
to okay. Sir,
Okay.
how to give answer any question to me, sir? How to give answer?
You have to know about it is first of all. My opinion is, so you already know some different type of questions. First of all, you have to think what kind of answer I have to give, which is relevant to that one. Okay. So then try to speak answer. Okay. So then you know the wording is correct or wrong. Means, when you speak, a lot of people, even they said there are great communication time. Even there are speaking, there is maybe problems are there. Small errors can be there. Okay. So how it is, we cannot able to see it is a problem. Even some people we use good verbal means a grammatical language, but we feel it is not good language. What is the difference? The practice, it becomes smoother. Easy way you can able to tell an answer. For example, same question, blue screen of death. What is blue screen of death? So it is a system error. Some are guys answers are points wise, step wise, are a plain lines, plain lines. Okay. I think we are discussed few things, right? Like for example, what is a router?
Sir, your voice was breaking, sir.
My voice is breaking again. We discussed about routers, switches, like the RAM and ROM. We know RAM and ROM. IP address is there, which is yeah. We'll tell about IP address. We know already. What is an IP address? IP address is a logical address, uniquely identify a device in the network. To communicate in the network, we need an IP address. To communicate in the network, we need an IP address. My system has required an IP address. The remote system, the destination also required an IP address. So then we can able to communicate each other. Okay. IP addresses, two versions are there: IPv4, IPv6.
IPv6.
Okay. So where to stop? IPv4 is IP address is lesson is very big one, right? For us, it will take more than 1 hour. Where to stop? No problem, guys. The interview will tell you stop till the time, or maybe he asks another question. Till the time, keep telling answer. That's need a practice. Okay. IPv4, IPv6. IPv4 32-bit, IPv6 128-bit. Like that. So you can keep add differences wise or tell about only IPv4. Only IPv4 you can tell. IPv4 having a classes. This is an IP address. How to configure IP address, DHCP, manual configurations. Like that you can tell. Okay. So this is even you take a RAM and ROM, random access memory, read-only memory. Some are having limitations, some are not having a not much limitations. So we can able to take 20, 30 lines, no problem. Some are having 4, 5 lines only. So like that, RAM and ROM differences. Random access memory, read-only memory. RAM is a volatile memory, ROM is a non-volatile memory. Volatile memory means it's a temporary memory. Whenever the power is off, data is gone from the device. whereas a non-volatile memory, okay, data is permanent, even power is off, data remains in the device. Non-volatile memory examples are, of course, RAM and as well as your hard disk, pen drives, memory cards. These are all non-volatile memories only. Okay, you connect a pen drive, you store a data. You disconnect a pen drive, still data is available in the pen drive, right? So it's an example. Step by step, differences wise, sometimes practicals wise, some are point wise. Office 365. So Office 365 is a cloud service. In a cloud, software as a service. In a cloud, it is a software as a service. It is belongs to Microsoft, and we can able to access Office tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook in online and as well as a offline. Means through web browser you can access Microsoft Office and you can install in your local laptop or a desktop or a Mac computer also you can able to use it. Even different operating system also we can use it through web browser. Mobile application also available for a Office 365. So it's a point, right? There are so many points are there, at least. First, remember guys, first 5 points or first 3 points or first 5 points, practice and tell very confidently. So other person think you know, so then you will go to the next question. Okay. And if you practice guys, the murmuring will reduce. First of all, means that end, these things will reduce. That is a very bad manner. A lot of people speak, you know, have seen this anchors and all English in the anchors. These people speak and next, I don't know. They think it is English or maybe they are thinking something. I don't know. Okay, speak languages is more simple. Okay, and there's a new things are also came up like it's a kind of bro kind of stuff. Uh, right. Okay, this is the question, right? Can you go for right? Next right, left right, right. Don't use that kind of stuff, guys. Okay, so make it simple. So it's right. I posted right. I open the link right. Can you able to hear me right? This is not good language. Okay, it's not. So some people like it's a formal to informal, informal to worst formal. It's not a good language. But some people because they want to manage their English, they keep adding these additional points. Okay, so use proper stable language.
Sir, there was also a question if we don't hire you for HCL, what will you do?
Yeah, very good. Yeah, so today we have to dedicate it to question part, first part. I can now follow because yeah, if you are not selected, is that
Yes.
question right? If you are not selected in for this service desk profile, what you will do? I said no, positive. So I will prepare. I will improve my technical knowledge. So meanwhile, I will improve my technical and communication skills. Don't use technical. Don't use communication part, guys. Use. I will improve my technical knowledge. Okay. So I improve my technical. I will add up my technical knowledge. Yeah. One more point I will tell, guys. It is already. You know the my site. Okay, right? Not my site. It is. I have a lot of sites, but my channel. In this one, so
Yeah.
if you go to this, you will go to playlist. In the playlist, you will find free courses. In this one, I have given a free courses, how to learn free courses from Microsoft, Microsoft technologies from Microsoft, how to learn from Skills for All. It is a Cisco Academy site, and it's NetAcad, that is also Cisco Academy, Udemy, CloudX Lab. So there is a different free courses availability is there. You can get a certain certificate.
Udemy,
Now
I
certificate.
think Udemy is paid.
Paid and free, both are there. Video course material. Okay, Udemy is not exactly, it's of course, sometimes offers are going on. Okay, at the time of offers, you cannot find free courses. This is no offers. Now, see, it is 2000, 3000, 4000. You learn something, you want to learn about a certain a specific technology. So, I want to learn about a BMC Helix. For example, that's a tool I want to learn. See the course cost, you can see. So price, the free availability is not there for this particular course. So maybe the service now is there. That is also good. Not also good. That is very good. See, free 22 courses are there.
Sir,
Okay.
please tell me about something about ServiceNow.
Service now. Service now is a tool. There is a multiple tools are there in a service now, like ITSM related dashboard creation or administration side is also there. Usually, so your it's one side I'm telling that is ITSM related. Like I showed one demo that is BMCLX. Same way the project like the customer client information, and you can create tickets, managing SLAs, monitoring SLAs. So everything we can get it with a single window that is called a dashboard. Yeah, a lot of tutorials are there. So like this, free courses are there, guys, but you have to read what it is. So scripting for beginners. We don't do scripting, right? So that's the point. Okay, now so you have to check it. It's a basic service now reporting. It is also one of the service desk tool. Exam preparation. What do you know? See number of hours, number of lectures, 2 hours, 21 lectures, 1 hour like that. Just for example, it is help desk ticketing system training. Okay, so it's a 2 hours, 7 lectures. So this is also free course. You can see this one. Okay, bringing
We
ITSM
can get
and
certification of free.
you tell me.
We can get certification as well of free
Free courses you
courses.
won't get a certification from Udemy. You have to get a paid courses. You want to learn certification for where it is, somewhere it is gone. All you know about a service desk administration, it is a cost is around this one. You want to learn this one, wait for some days, guys, daily check. And there is an offers like a 300, 400, 500 offers are there. So you can, that time you can take the course if it is required for you, if you think. This is good, no? Help desk ticketing system and training, but it is a small course, but it's okay. If anybody want to try, they can also try. So free course. Okay, that is a Udemy part, but I have told about here about a learn.microsoft.com. So this is also a free course. Okay, so it is a online free courses. Even I am learning few things from here. So I will show you my batches also. I earn 6 batches. I have Microsoft certificates, but see, introduction to PowerShell I completed. This is also I completed Azure fundamental concept, introduction to Azure fundamentals, and discover commands in the Azure PowerShell. These are the
So how can we go in cloud computing after help desk? Cloud computing is related to networking or in help desk?
cloud has so many type of modules are there, so many type of devices are there. So you can, if you want to learn Azure, you want to learn Azure, you can learn from it. Okay. So simply learn dot Microsoft.com from Microsoft. It is learn.microsoft.com. For Azure, I'm telling. So put a learning path means completely you want to learn, and select which technology you want to learn, Azure or a Dynamic 365, Office 365. Can you see like that? So I'm putting
So
Azure.
one more thing, which cloud is to learn will be better,
Any cloud,
like
no,
AWS or Azure?
any cloud. First, start with the basics, fundamentals of cloud. You can get it from here. Okay, so this is free path. You can learn one by one. You will understand the which cloud certification you want to do it. Anything you can learn. Azure. Easy way is AWS. AWS also having a learning. See, you go to the AWS. There is a learn part is also there. You go to learn, but I don't know you are getting a certificate or not. But you will get a introduction to AWS about cloud computing and other information also there. Okay. Next, I Google having a GCP having a learning or not, but Oracle having a learning part. Oracle Cloud you can learn freely and you can do certification also.
So please share this as well. Oracle learning products.
This is learn. Okay. This is a learning part. Since I am selecting certification. This is was a live learn start learning is there now, so you can go to learning. So you will get a learn, get certificate, and of course you have to go through free tier for practice. All these things. Some are free, some are not free. And in the training also, guys, in the training also, there is a different technologies. So some are free, some are not free. Free technique. Because some people cannot afford, some people, why it is, I said free training, then why it is not showing anything. Why no other partition. This is Oracle University, edu.oracle University. You can go to certifications, training, and free training. Now it is, yeah, now it is, I think it is working. Uh,
So Oracle will also have its own cloud.
the Oracle has its own cloud. Okay.
Okay.
Even in the training, there is a different tools, not only this one, other kind of tools also we can learn. Okay, some are free, some are not free. I am giving this link, just you can do certain research on it. Okay. So why I'm telling all this story, guys? Of course, future is not enough. Okay, so you can learn a lot of things in the future. Okay, so if you want to learn basic things like a Python or cyber security, networking essentials, this is very useful. It is in the maintenance mode now. So like this, cyber security, introduction to cyber security. These are all free courses. After course, you'll get a certificate. Okay, networking basics, introduction to data science. Okay, this is a networking part only. Python. Okay. Yeah, computer hardware basics also there now, 6 hours. So basic points they may give you. Okay.
So it also provide a Cisco certification.
Yeah, Cisco certification means yes, they'll provide a learning certificate because every module there is a test. Okay, Python 1, Python 2, with certain collaborations, which is networking essentials.
Please share the link of this as well.
Okay, you go to this one, so you will get a all other site information. Directly I'm giving this link. Go to
So
Catalog,
Cisco is
what
free,
you
right?
want. Yeah, tell me.
Is it free? Yes,
Free.
it's free.
No
No
purchase
purchase
required.
required.
Time. 70 hours of course. So if you try daily 1 hour also, it will be completed. 1 hour, 2 hours. Simply have to sit and read. And labs also available, beginner level, networking essentials. Okay. So it will complete these basics, protocol basics, service basics, and all. And you will learn a certificate. They will give you one certificate, guys. For everything, there is a test. Not like that. You are watching a video, next completed. It is not like that. Every module, every small part, and final exam also there. Okay, that will give interest. That will give a knowledgeable person. Even for this one also. This is even Cisco. Another one is there that is called a NetAcad. See, the same NetAcad courses are given in the skills for all, but NetAcad also having some additional courses like this. You want to learn Linux? See, this is the free Linux course. IT Essentials. This is free. Linux Essentials. These are paid courses. Intermediate beginners, you can check it. Self-placed, online self-placed. Okay, and beginners intermediate courses are free. Okay. Networking related, programming related, C++, and Python and JavaScript essentials. These are all we can able to learn. These are the free courses are available from the NetAcademy. You want to see all courses, select all courses, remove the instructor lead. So these are all online courses only. Some are free, some are not free. Just you have to open the course. Okay, so I will try open this one and also will try open this one. Both are Linux only, but you can see Linux 1. It is determined by institute means you have to find an academy and you have to join in that course. And this is essentials. Can you see free course? You can sign up today. So that is the thing. So you need a Gmail account or any account. You can log in and you can do it. One thing is remember, the person having a knowledge, he can survive in this IT industry. Person who want to manage, he will be become a just a manager or maybe. Okay, I don't know. That's I don't comment on it. But point is, there is a lot of resources are available, so you can go through any type of resources, including CloudX Lab. And now it is falling in love 50%. Part of the banner, they are putting this banner every time. These are the direct online courses we are getting. These are a paid courses, guys. These are all paid courses. IIT Roorkee courses are paid courses. These are free courses. DevOps certification training, okay, data science specialization. These are all free courses, including Python, MySQL. These are all free courses only. Okay, so you can go to courses. Then also uh, just you want to learn DevOps. It's not teaching cloud. Okay, it is not teaching cloud. Okay, it is a CloudX lab means the course they will provide online or offline means you have to read or a video, both are there. Okay, but to practice you need a lab, right? So they will provide a lab environment. So you want to complete in 30 days and you don't want to learn anything next time, or maybe okay. So this is the course cost. Course plus 30 days of course lab, cloud lab. They will give you an environment to practice. Lab environment they will give you. So you don't prepare your system for a lab environment. Okay, like this. This is 180 days. No, I will learn, keep learning. No date and time fixing is not required. Then what you will do, you will go for these type things. So I will show you this. This is 1 year premium. Take premium per month is this one. Means 599 into 12 rupees. Sorry, 599 into 12. The total amount is you have to pay per year. So per month, this is the cost. Means you have to pay per year. So you will get a entire 1 year. There is a 20 courses are available. There is a 20 courses are available, including DevOps, machine learning, data science, data engineering. These are all courses you can learn. Of course, after course completion, you'll get a certificate from CloudX Lab. Okay, yes. So here is an answer for what if you are not selected in this time. So just you have started learning. Maybe you'll keep learning, keep learning, keep learning. Maybe this profile or maybe another profile, another technical demanding profile, you will get it. Maybe after joining you will learn. Maybe now you can able to learn. The knowledge is always helpful. These are the three courses. Okay, guys. So,
Yes, sir.
any question? Anything? First of all, you have to read it. You ask one question, right? How to tell an answer. First of all, you should know some questions we don't know. Some questions we know technically, we know the questions, right? Take the question, read about it, and practice how to tell an answer. Nice, very easy way you have to tell, guys. Differences, practice differences. If you practice differences means you will tell easy answers. Okay. Step by step or point to point answers. Simple, clear cut answer. What is a DHCP? DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, port number 6768. If you don't remember port number, you can skip it. Okay. And what is a DHCP server will do? DHCP server give an IP address to client computer. A DHCP server configure IP address to client PC. Okay. So my laptop is getting an IP address from DHCP server. Okay. That's the point. You can configure. So who's making noise?
Sir, when will our exam will be conducted, like version test interview?
That is version test, about version test. Prakash sir or Sanobar madam, they will confirm. Mostly it will be next week, I think so. Okay. So once version test is
He
completed,
told
then
that 28th of February.
they said 28th.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Sorry.
Okay, no problem. Okay, 28th is means good. At least you have
28, sir, 20 or 21, I think.
20 or
No.
21.
No?
Okay,
Last date
student
is
confirm.
Sir,
20 or 21?
20 and
20.
21, sir.
Yes, sir. 20th and
Then we
21st.
don't get not even a 2 weeks of technical training, right? Okay, so we will see. So whatsoever it is, so try to read questions and answers, or prepare an answer for as how much easily you can able to type. And I will give you some more material like what is VPN, what is Outlook. Okay, as possible as I will share it. Okay, I think that is enough for general discussion. We will continue from this service desk part. Okay, even service desk also there are some questions. So I will start with what is event, alert, incident, and problem, and service request and service. That's a part I will also will start. Take 10 minutes of break, guys. Okay, take 10 minutes of break.